Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Actually not like welcome back. This is my first ever video of gaming.
He failed his first intro. Guys, he failed his first intro, by the way.
Well, actually my name is Shadow Hunter, and what is your name? I forgot your name.
Kevin, you idiot.
By the way, who are you?
I'm Kevin, you monkey.
I don't know what I do in
Then
the
I-
video.
Do you mean I'm your goddamn friend?
Seriously, you are my friend?
Yup.
When?
Guys, don't worry. He has goddamn dementia. So there is no need to worry about him. He's totally fine.
What do you mean by that?
Dementia, oh my god. He doesn't even remember what dementia is. What a Chad.
Oh, nether dimension.
Oh my god. Bro, just sleep already.
Bro,
Just sleep.
bro, it was added
Just
so
sleep.
It was added
Just
so
sleep,
much
just
time
sleep.
ago, bro. What are you talking
Just
about
sleep.
now?
Just sleep.
Why?
Just sleep. Yes, fine.
Okay, I am sleeping, but why are you talking about another dimension?
Oh my god. Someone please.
This guy
Tell
is
him.
bad trade. Bro, so bad trade, bro. Rotten
Oh my
trade.
god. Wow. I'm gonna search around for some hay bales. By the time you do that, bro, pass some to me. What? No, we don't have that land. No, probably not right now.
Bro, this is only a flat land.
First we should make a small house with a cabin and everything. First we should make a small house and then we should progress.
Let's make a house now.
But wait now. Wait for some
I
time.
can hear some zombie. I can hear some zombie. Run. Iron Golem is behind me, I guess so. Oh, he doesn't care. He doesn't care. Yo, bro, what's up?
What?
What's up, big guy?
Mm.
What's up, bro? Bro, what is the password? What is the password?
What?
I'm
Oh.
talking to Iron Golem. What is the password? I need to hit you if you will not tell me the password. I will hit you. You want me to hit you?
Wait, where is the iron golem?
Oh,
Idiot. You absolute idiot. Get him in one place. You fine. You idiot. Get him in one place. Get him in one place for me. I got a goddamn axe. Get him towards me. Oh shit! Slow! Help!
bro, run away!
No! Thank goodness he can't sprint. And you decide to eat bread in this situation. Idiot.
Can I be bread?
Also need-
I'm eating some carrots.
Pass me bread. Pass me bread.
I don't have breads.
Oh my god.
I have carrot and patuti. Do you want patuti?
No.
Oh. Be careful.
For sure. Look, move! Move! Got it.
How much iron? How much iron?
3. So I'm just going to craft a pickaxe. So, thank you. And let's go start. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, dun, dun.
Bro,
Just
you mean that shall we go in for mining?
I guess we should get some armor and some food first before we start mining. So right now we need a small cave right now. So let's start the plains biome. Plus there are goddamn 2 villages over here.
How do you know
So,
there's
yeah.
2 villages?
two villages.
How do you know?
The snow one and oh
How do
god.
you know there are two villages? What is your guarantee?
I just saw it. I just saw another one.
Okay, that
Most-
village is fine. That village is... Where was it though?
I forgot. Dun, 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 dun.
Bruh. It was snow village, na? So it shall be in the snow only, na?
You do that while I kill the cows.
Oh, I see it. I can see it. I can feel the light.
Bro, what?
I can feel it.
Right, so now what? Let's see. Oh shit. Okay.
Where are the chests? Where are the chests?
It's an abandoned village, bro. I already looted it before we started the video.
How dare you?
Bro. But I guess this plains biome is really small. So I guess we should go for another plains biome.
No, I got the this thing. I got this Ooh, blue ice and some bread.
Did you loot the entire village that we found? Over here in plains.
Nope,
You didn't?
I didn't.
Okay, then I guess I'll try to do it. Let's see
Okay,
what's
I found
there.
nice stuff.
Yeah, guys, I forgot to mention that Nishlock died before we started the video in the other village.
By the way, Kevin, can you tell me something? That why are we playing at 1.9 1.4 when we have 1.20.6?
Just for fun, of course.
Yeah. Let me tell you guys, something. He always wants to have some fun. I wonder why.
Yo, by the time you do that, I'm just gonna,
I'm in an adventure.
kill every single animal.
Mr. Farmer,
Oh my god,
do you got something for my wife sitting next to me? How dare you? How dare you?
I'm just
Nobody
killing
saw
some
that.
animals.
Nobody saw that.
Yeah, nobody also saw what I am doing right now.
I wonder what
Because
you're
of
doing. I wonder what
that is only folks' point of view. However, you guys are not seeing my point of view, which is great.
nice lava. Bro, what in the world are you doing?
Thing.
Explain yourself right now. Explain yourself right now.
Never ever.
I'm coming to see what you do. I found some apples. You know that the doctors say an apple a day keeps the doctor away?
Yeah, why?
That's why I got some apples.
Bruh.
But sadly there is no doctor in Minecraft.
Bruh.
Give me some good trades.
You wait, what? When? In which village? Wow. Idiot. I'm gonna teleport you to me, bro. I have commands. However, I only use the TP command because, yeah.
Yeah, so
So,
guys, you have now seen that my guy Kevin is cheating.
bro, it's because you died.
Bro,
Oh my
I
god.
told you not
Died.
to.
Bro died and is saying that. How
I'm
dare
going
you?
back to the village to get my loot.
By the time I'm gonna craft a boat.
Boat for what?
Because this plains biome is not big enough. So we are gonna have to set
Exactly
out.
still?
Bro, we're gonna have to set out to the ocean.
Nope, I'm not setting out right now.
Yeah, so I have enough food. I have 18 pork chops, 9 beef and 3 mutton. I'm stacked on food right now. And somehow, where is my crafting thing?
Bro, you left
Hmm.
it in the village, bro.
Over here, over here. Yes, look, come bro, let's go. Look, come, let's go.
How much
Okay,
iron?
finally.
Full 5 iron.
Oh my god. Right, come, let's go. Come, let's go. Come, let's go.
Bro, it's night time, bro.
Oh yeah, sleeping.
Sleep, sleep, sleep.
You can only sleep at night or during thunderstorms.
Oh, it isn't full night. It is half night. You know what I mean.
Should I say evening?
You know
I
what
think
I mean.
the correct term is evening, bro. Sleep.
I'm sleeping, chill, chill.
Sleep.
Bro, chill. Yeah, so guys, Kevin.
Sleep.
Bro, chill.
Oh my god, finally, after 5 years.
Why is every time you're 5 years?
Alright, come, I got the boat. Come, let's go now.
Wait for a moment. Let me craft my iron. Oh, I can craft a shield. Shall I craft one?
Nah.
And I
Just
can craft it.
craft
And I
mine.
can craft one for you also.
Oh yeah, then do it. Pass.
Yeah, take.
Pass it now.
Wait, I need to see this thing. Yo, I'm so much protected.
Pass me.
Hey, hey.
Pass it to me.
Chill, bro. Chill. Take.
Alright, come, let's go. I got the boat.
Wait, I don't have. I need some armor now.
No, but it's okay. It's okay for now. Come, we'll go. Come, we'll set out.
Off we go. I don't know.
Get on, slow. Alright. I wish we could locate land. While, I wish that Minecraft added a feature that whenever you are stuck in the middle of an ocean, we could locate land. Oh, yo, island. Okay. We found an island.
What will happen if we found one more village in this island?
Dun.
Bro, what are you
Sorry,
doing?
I'm trying to pick up the boat. You idiot, you took out the boat, but it's okay.
I got it. Okay.
Yep. And we can go back to those 2 villages whenever we want, right? If we are on this island.
We'll be like, hello village, I'm back. Did you miss me?
Villages be like, no!
How dare you come back?
After you took everything. Slowly, like, I am here to kill your leader, the Iron Golem.
When I killed you 2 times, bro, what do you expect from me?
And I killed one. Where are you?
I'm being chilling. Oh, I found a beehive.
Lord, I'm gonna teleport you to me.
I found a cave.
Bro, don't right now, bro. Okay, this was just an island. Yo, there's no way we found a spruce forest.
And And I found 4 iron, 5 iron, bro. 5 raw iron.
You know, teleporting to you. Teleporting to you, man. Let me just increase my brightness. I think there's lava pool down here.
Seriously?
Because I can see light. Then why is it glowing?
Bro, don't glow vines, bro. Glow vines.
You know, come we'll go back up, bro. We'll set out on a journey once.
Chill, bro, chill. Let me just find this gold away. 17.
Let's go down.
Let's go.
There's nothing. Oh, no, no. No, 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 Shlok! Shlok! Shlok!
What happened?
Yeah, there's a skeleton. And a few more things. Down here. Right, I'm gonna mine the iron over here.
Yeah, bro. I'll mine over that piece of iron.
I got this. And I'm gonna mine this way now.
Bro, let's first of all let's make a furnace.
No.
Why?
It's too dangerous down here. We can't stay forever down here.
Bro,
Yo, iron.
mine. How many did you got? I got 11. How many did you got? I got 11.
Let me check. Bro. Let me check. I got 13. I got 4 torches. And come, let's go back up. We can't do this anymore. Because the cave has ended now. Look, there's a creeper over here.
Where? I can't even see.
There's a creeper. Come back up. Come.
Here,
Yeah.
guys.
Come. We have to go back up.
We went over this place.
Ah, bro, leave it, bro. It's little dangerous.
Yeah, so guys, you can see that
Look, why are you doing that? I have 3 hearts left.
you can see that my friend is too scared of caves.
Not scared. I mean, sure. Go ahead if you wanna die. Not my problem.
Let's see.
This is my
Can I
YouTube
find
channel.
this beehive?
No need, no. If you want to die, then do it. If you don't want to die, then no. Come, we'll go boat.
Okay, it was.
Alright, I'm on. Let's go.
Okay.
Let's see where. Just keep going until we.
Please say desert biome.
Nope, never.
Just.
Nah, just keep going forward. Just look, what are you doing? Just keep going forward until I find an island or anything. Making my way downtown, walking fast. No sign of any island. Check out coordinates.
Yo,
Okay.
I found an ocean.
I'll leave it. It's not worth it. Okay. Yeah, that's exactly what
You come.
I'll do less damage than more damage. There's a drown. There is another drown.
Bro, why don't these die? I'm the first person who kill a mob with a pickaxe.
Come, let's go back up. Onto the boat. I'll drive this time.
TP
happened?
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
Oh my god, wait. Okay, get on. Yes, go. Get on.
Bro, I need to heal.
Okay, heal. Slow, keep going forward. You know there are drowns.
I'm
Fine.
hard.
I'll drive.
You drive.
Get on.
Yeah, go.
Get on quick.
Eat rotten flesh. Tastes so much bad.
I got 12 raw pork chops and 8 beef.
Oh, I got a fishing rod with lure tree.
Nice. Once we find any land, then we can start fishing. However, first we need to build like a cabin. You know? Shit, man. Why no land? I wish we could have located.
Shall we end this journey over here? We'll continue tomorrow.
What do you mean, like video? You want to end the video?
Shall we end this? Okay, guys. Bye, guys. Let's end this journey for today. And tomorrow we'll meet you again. Bye.